Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I want to talk about GameStop. Should you buy it? Should you sell it? What is going on with the company here? So we all know GameStop as being this really the company that went from $20 all the way up to about $500 and made a lot of people millions of dollars, but it also made people lose millions of dollars. Then we did have this nasty sell-off all the way back down to about $50 a share consolidated. And then recently we've just had and seen a lot of buying pressure entering this position. So why have we seen buying pressure and why is the stock down today? Okay, well, GameStop released their earnings and they did miss their earnings. Okay, so that's fair. When a company misses earnings, yes, the company will have a tendency to lose stock value because it's not worth as much as people hoped or thought it would be. Not to mention they're focusing on digital. So that's another reason why we've seen an increase in buying pressure with this. Not to mention this is just one of the most popular stocks right now. But what do I think GameStop should do? Well, I really believe GameStop should make almost like a Netflix of video games. So what that means is maybe you create a product that has multiple video games, whether it's 5, 10, 15, 30, whatever that may be. And you guys pay a monthly fee for these video games. What that does is it gets a reoccurring member. So you can count on cash flow coming into the business and then use the profit of that to invest in other things. GameStop recently has been focusing too much on their brick and mortar stores. Brick and mortar stores have very, very large overhead. You got to pay the employees, and that's, the hourly wages, that is, healthcare. Not to mention you have the rent of the building, you have, insurance, you have a lot of other things, inventory in the store. So there's a lot of overhead compared to online. All you need is the product and the website. That's pretty much it. So most of the time with online shopping, the company will have very, very solid margins. Anything over 20% is phenomenal. And that is what online margins are, well over 20%. So I really think that's what GameStop should do. So the main question, should you buy GameStop stock? Me personally, I'm staying away from it. There's too much volatility. Just as fast as this thing went up, it went down. So huge volatility. Just as fast as it went up, it could easily fall back down. And a lot of people don't realize that. Yes, this stock could easily come back up to, $483 again, but it also could come all the way back down to 20. No one knows. And I think that's the biggest risk when investing in GameStop right now is there's so much hype behind it, but there's so much risk and volatility. A lot of people love to hop into positions because, people tell them to and they lose money. So if you guys are a beginner, I would stay away from GameStop. I would rather see you guys invest in like the S&P 500, maybe blue chip stocks. All of those are fantastic because you understand that these companies have good margin, good cash, they have very low debt compared to a company like GameStop, which took on billions of dollars to get through 2020 and could easily take on more because they are closing thousands of stores across the United States. So I really think GameStop, for me, I'm staying away from it. Not to mention you don't get any dividend or anything like that, so it's very hard to compound your money. But guys, so honestly, the biggest thing, yes, try to stay away from it, but how can you break down the chart? Well, we do have resistance here at 300. Support here, I would say at around 100. And this hard support here is this 200 moving average line would be around $50. So for me, the only way I would probably hop into this position would be a fall back down below 50. That is the only way. Other than that, I'm staying away from it and I'm investing into blue chip stocks that pay dividends or ETFs. Because there's a lot more, high reward with those. So GameStop, too risky. I understand a lot of people love it, but you have to understand on the flip side, a lot of people were telling me to buy it when it was, 300, 400, and then 500. Now it's all the way back down to, 40, then back up to 181. There's so much volatility. And if you're a beginner, I would recommend staying away from it. You guys will thank me later. I could almost guarantee it, guys. So that is it. That's kind of what's going on with GameStop and pretty much why I am staying away from it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you got anything in value, hit that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Don't forget to go ahead and check out my course, and we'll see you later, guys. Take care.